I think Brussels indeed has one of the most beautiful city center squares in the world. I mean, just look at this. Hello everyone and welcome to this little test vlog. I'm currently in Brussels, Belgium, and I'm on my trip at the moment to finish off the last European countries that I have not yet traveled to, which is exactly two, Estonia and Finland. And I'm currently in Brussels and I just recently bought my new GoPro. So this is going to be literally just a little test vlog, whether I like the quality, whether the sound is nice. So as you can see, I'm currently right in front of the Atomium in Brussels, and I came here because I still haven't filmed a single juggling video in Belgium yet. So it's about time that I do this. So I'm gonna prop up the camera with my little mini tripod. So right now in front of the Atomium, I was just handed this little free bottle of sparkling water. Well, yeah, shout out. I'm happy to include this in the video because this is super lovely. Where on planet Earth do you get free cans of sparkling ginger water for free? Just here in Brussels at the Atomium. Amazing experience. Honestly, I think I'm becoming quite a fan of Belgium now. Like, they literally have these toilets just for men, but I mean, it kind of makes sense, everywhere around the city where you can pee for free. Also, I like that Belgium is so multilingual. Like today I already spoke, I think, German, French, Spanish, English. All the street signs are in French and Dutch, but English is very commonly spoken here as well, in comparison to, for example, France, where the people only speak French basically. But there's even a small German community here, so German is in fact one of the official languages of Belgium. I think Brussels indeed has one of the most beautiful city center squares in the world. I mean, just look at this. I don't know how much you can see behind me, but it's so golden everywhere and it's beautiful. It's so extremely pricey. I'm really not used to it. So I'm gonna leave the city center now and I'm gonna go back to Brussels North because it's a lot cheaper there, and we'll see, maybe we'll get some food deals there. There was this one vegan waffle for like 12 euros and I was like, nah, like that's way too much, I think. So I decided to now just go outside again and try to find some cheaper food. But overall, Brussels and Belgium, overall I really like it. You have a lot of African people here as well, you have a lot of Arab people here as well. So you have some kebab shops and falafels and everything. But in the city center, oh my god, it's pricey. Like, be prepared. Like, even as someone from Germany, I'm normally used to be the one who has like the money kind of thing, but Brussels is just on another level. So I now found a restaurant outside of the city center, which is a lot cheaper as well, and they even have vegan kofte, which is so nice. Bonjour. Bonjour. Je vais prendre un falafel wrap vegan et aussi le kofte farci vegan. Des amis francophones en Allemagne, donc c'est difficile. C'est bien. Merci, merci. This is so good. And I don't know if you saw, but he cut it all fresh, which is so nice. So I'm more than happy finally eating something. And well, thank you so much for watching. I'll leave the vlog there. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.